guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the LACOSTE NEO. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love. In the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the LACOSTE NEO L003, but we'll just call it NEO for the sake of it. And we've got this in the UK size 8, European 42, and it's in US 9. There's no colour description, unfortunately, but here they are. Now, already off the bat, I'm just going to mention that this, quite disappointed in these. They're very reminiscent of a certain Nike line from the late great Virgil Abloh. And yeah, it's just, yeah, it takes so much. I mean, whether it's inspiration, whether it's copying, I don't know. Well, I'm not here for that, but you know, it just reminds me of that. So we'll start with the outsole. So the outsole is a rubber outsole. You got the LACOSTE logo there for you. Midsole is just a plain foam midsole right there. And then moving on to the upper, this is where you can see the similarities between the Nike. For example, this just screams the Nike Air Presto Virgil Abloh off-white version because of the exposed sponge. I mean, it isn't like for like, but you can see the similarities. So you can see where LACOSTE have put the writing there. And I'm assuming that is the coordinates of LACOSTE's headquarters. And like I mentioned, I mean, you can see it, the way that it's built, the way that it looks like it was taken down apart and restitched on. So you know, you got that DIY effect there for you with exposed sponge tongue. But you know, enough of those comparisons. But the upper itself is majority made out of textile materials, and you've got bits of suede. So if you look at the toe box there, suede toe box area, then you've got textile just underneath there as well, with the honeycomb looking patterning. Nicely padded tongue with the LACOSTE logo there. You've got 2 sets of laces, they're round laces. You've got the fluorescent yellow and like a bone colour. You've got the LACOSTE logo there, that famous alligator. Looking at the upper side, so if you look at the lateral side, as I mentioned, you've got something that you can see from a certain Nike line right there. Then you've got the LACOSTE alligator again on the heel right there for you. So again, merges a lot of materials. So you can see the textile, you can see that exposed sponge there, the foam, and you've got a suede hip there. Kind of the same on the medial side, where again it reflects the same patterning, textile materials, got the suede and suede. Very nice pattern though, I must say. And then you look at the ankle support, very nicely padded, and you've got a slip, you can just easily slip your heels in. And if you look at the heel counter, you've got the fluorescent yellow, lace around edge to give you that hit, and you've got an exposed sponge layer also. Insole is an awful light insole, and you've got the LACOSTE logo. Let's take this part out. You've got the LACOSTE writing there with, again, what I believe are the coordinates. Now, obviously, like many people watching this, you can see similar resemblances to the Nike off-white line, and again, this strikes me as inspired by the Nike off-white Air Presto, especially in that like white colorway. But yeah, you've got that LACOSTE green hits there to, I guess, differentiate it. Again, I'm not accusing anyone of anything, but you can see the inspirations, anything. And yeah, rounds up my review on these LACOSTE NEO sneakers. I'm gonna try them on for you. And I'm a big fan of LACOSTE polo shirts. And it's not like I don't like LACOSTE, it's just, you know, just you can see stuff. You can kind of see some bits that were inspired by it, let's just say. Anyways, let's roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. For example, I wear a UK size 7.5 for Nike. I wish that these came in a half size because they're a bit too big for me because this is a UK size 8. They're surprisingly comfy, not gonna lie, guys. And you know, from the top down, they look kind of cool on. But with all that said, you know, my preconceptions being I've already judged this shoe based on, you know, the inspiration that was taken upon it. But you know, that's just my personal opinion. Regardless, they do look kind of cool on. But yeah, let us know how you feel about them in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.